Hey there, I just wanted to pop on real quick and give you a perfect example as to why building for SEO and long-term use is very crucial for the success of your business, basically. So this is an active client of ours where we have just basically built them a website. We started out with the SEO heavy plan in mind, but they didn't actually want to move forward with any ongoing SEO services. So the whole point in me showing you this is that yes, their count is relatively low, but they were literally getting no traffic to their site before. And not only is this traffic, but it's good traffic. It's traffic that actually has been driving the business. So where you can see yourself in this is that no matter what you do on the front end, it's always, and you can see that this goes up and down and up and down and up and down, but you're starting to see a trend here. And this is on a monthly scale. So if we were to look at the week or even the day, you'd be able to see that it's more and more sporadic, but there's still a downward trend coming towards the end or today's date, basically. So what I'm getting at is that building a website, even with all of the forethought of SEO in mind, especially for local businesses, without having the benefit of long-term or ongoing SEO services, you're going to miss out, and you might see a positive uptick in the beginning, as you can see here. But after a while, it's going to start to diminish. Not only is this due to changes that Google makes, but also due to changes that customers want. I mean, people search locally for specific needs to serve specific problems, and if you're not keeping up with that content and that engagement, then you're going to see the results slowly dwindle over time. Now, we are working with this client now, very recently, to build a new plan for success for them. But if you'd like us to do just a quick audit of what you've got going with your website and maybe where we could add some benefit to you and set you up for success in the long run, then please get in touch with us. You can either leave me a comment below, or you can DM me, or you can just go to getquirked.co and we can start a conversation about your website and your business. Thanks.